Let's see how you can create an enamel element using a script in PaintShop Pro. The script is called Enamel, and it will typically work better with an image that is between 500 and 1000 pixels. So my image here is way too large. So I'm going to size it down to about 700 pixels wide so I can run it. First, you simply run the script. And the first question is whether you already have a contour. In this case, I don't have an edge that I want to use, so I will answer no. I now choose which color I want the metal edges to be. And let's make it some kind of a bronze color. And the thickness is optional, so I'll just use the default. Now choose a color from your design. So I will pick this yellow. The script will remove it. Now, do I have more colors? Yes. And I'll choose this orangey. More color, yeah. The green. Yes, there's still more. I'm going to use the center brown. And although I could select the last color, I know it's going to be already surrounded. So I'm just going to say no. And here is my end result. As you can see, I have 3 layers. One layer is the main edges. The second layer is the inside of the design. And the third layer is the thickness. So if I want to remove the thickness, I can just hide this layer. And on the top layer for the metal, I really have a fairly flat edge. I can change that if I want by adding an inner bevel of my choice. So I can get a completely different look if I want. So this is how you can run it on an image without an edge. Now let's have the same script run on an element that does have an edge. So I will run the script. And now to the first question, if I already have a contour, I will say yes. Now select the contour you already have. So in this case, I'm going to select the black. And I'll be asked what color I want my edge. I might want the same color, but maybe I want something different. Let's make it more gold. And I already have exactly the same 3 layers, so I can change the bevel on the top layer if I want. Can get something a little larger, a little deeper. And I can remove the bottom layer if I want. Of course, the edges might not be as smooth as you want, and they are going to be dependent on the starting image you have. So if you have an image that is very blurred or has blurred edges, it will be giving you some odd looking edges. If you're not too happy with this, you can always tweak this layer using your eraser tool. And with a small brush, you can brush a little bit of the edges to remove those uneven details. And if you have a straight edge, it's very easy. You start at one end, hold the shift key, and go on the other end, and you can see how it is so much easier. And here is how you can create some enamel elements using a script in PaintShop Pro. Have fun!